The long E sound is a fascinating aspect of the English language, and it appears in many words we use every day. This sound can be represented in various ways, including the letter combinations E, A, E, and Y. Let's dive into some examples that showcase this sound in action. First, let's consider the E combination. Words like see, tree, and free all feature that long E sound. You can also find it in be, knee, and three. Each of these words not only sounds pleasant, but also paints a vivid picture. Imagine a buzzing bee or a tall tree swaying in the breeze. Next up is the EA combination. This one is equally rich with examples. Think of sea, where the vastness of the ocean comes to mind, or tea, which might remind you of a cozy afternoon. Then there's leaf, a symbol of nature's beauty, and dream, where our imaginations can run wild. Don't forget meat, which brings to mind delicious meals, and bead, often used in crafts and jewelry. Moving on to the single E, we have words like he, she, and we. These pronouns are essential in communication. Then there's me, which is all about self-identity, and fee, often associated with costs or services. And let's not overlook key, which unlocks doors both literally and metaphorically. Now, let's explore the EY combination. Here, we find words like they, which is crucial for discussing groups, and prey, which evokes images of the wild. Gray is another example, often associated with cloudy skies or the color of ashes. And how about money? It's a word that certainly gets our attention. As we continue, let's look at some compound words and phrases that include the long E sound. Sweet pea is a delightful flower, while honeybee brings to mind the importance of bees in our ecosystem. Green bean is a staple in many kitchens, and ice cream is a favorite treat for many. Now let's not forget about some fun phrases. Easy peasy is a playful way to say something as simple, while see you later is a friendly farewell. Knee deep can describe being immersed in something, whether it's work or a fun activity. In addition to these examples, the long sound appears in many other contexts. Words like cheese, peace, and sneeze all contribute to the richness of our vocabulary. Even names like Steve and Lee carry this sound, showing how it permeates our language. It's interesting to note how the long E sound can change the meaning of words. For instance, meat and meat sound the same, but have entirely different meanings. This is a great reminder of the complexity and beauty of English. As we wrap up this exploration of the long E sound, it's clear that it's not just a phonetic feature. It's a gateway to creativity and expression. From simple words to complex ideas, the long E sound connects us in countless ways. So, the next time you hear that sound, take a moment to appreciate the richness it brings to our language.